How does Paris in the summer sound? API is excited to offer you and your colleagues an experiential programming workshop in Paris in July 2025, where you'll learn to build and implement a successful faculty-led program. Led by a team of expert faculty and study abroad practitioners who bring years of experience and passion for faculty-led programs, this workshop will provide you with the tools, resources, and expertise to transform renowned destinations, like Paris, into an immersive classroom. Learn to develop a faculty-led program that is safe, impactful, and sustainable. Sharpen the skills required to administer and lead your faculty-led program, including leadership, decision-making, problem-solving, and communication. Explore how to leverage your unique skill set both personally and professionally with individualized CliftonStrengths coaching. Earn a digital credential from API that you can share on LinkedIn. And gain access to the API Learning Experience app, containing online course content and resources for up to 1 year after the workshop. This experiential programming workshop is open to both faculty and staff, whether you're new to faculty-led programming or leveling up the skills and experience you already have. Join API in Paris in July 2025 for a professional development opportunity that will transform how you engage your students in the changing landscape of global education. Scan the code to register now through March 15th.